Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use effects on Instagram video call. First, let's go into Instagram. Then you're going to tap on the message icon in the top right hand corner. From there, you're going to select the camera icon right beside the pencil. Next, you'd simply type in the name of the person or the account that you would like to video call. Then you're going to tap on start. And once it has started ringing, you can simply tap on effects. And from there, you can choose the effect that you would like to use. If you have found an effect that you like, you'll simply use it, as you can see. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.